Hey everyone, Stephanie here, coffee drinker, book lover, and reviewer of many things. Today, I'm gonna show you, I guess, like meal replacement shakes or vitamin shakes. I don't know what to call them. I'll show you the one for me first. I had been on the lookout for something that was dairy free for a long time, and I did find one, and it tasted like ew. I don't even remember what it was called, and I haven't seen it in a long time. But I recently found, I think it's called OWYN, like OWYN, and it's dairy free, it's plant based, and it's gluten free, and it's vegan, and it says over here allergy free, no dairy, soy, peanuts, tree nuts, wheat, or gluten. And I am so happy I found this because, we all have those days. Okay, so the reason that I look for shakes is because I have days that I'm like, either I'm not hungry, like I don't feel hungry, so I'm like, if it wasn't for having a 3-year-old, I might not eat all day. But if I do that, then I get really shaky and really cranky. And you don't want to see me when I'm hangry. Talking about this. OWYN. It's dairy free. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. Oh, it's on the bottom. It was like, I know I saw the nutrition fact label on the outside of the box. I was gonna try to show it to you. No, it's not gonna focus. So I will find a picture. Sometimes I have half of one for a snack, or I will drink a whole one when it's supposed to be like lunchtime. Our schedule is all weird because my kiddo takes a nap and she won't eat unless I'm eating with her, unless it's breakfast. Like right now, she's eating breakfast by herself, but for lunch and dinner, she won't eat unless I'm eating. Um, she's 3. It makes sense. But yeah, so we eat breakfast around between 9:30 and 10. And we had a late night, so I was gonna let her sleep today because it's Sunday. But she woke up before 9:30, and now I'm like, how's the day gonna go? Anyway, but so around, then I put her down for a nap around 1:30, like 1:30, 3:30 ish. She can sleep until 3:30. But that's what I say. And I sometimes get hungry in that period when she's sleeping, and I'm like, well, I don't want to eat a bunch because then when she wakes up, I'm not going to want to eat lunch. So instead of grabbing chips, which is what I've done quite a bit, or some chocolate, they got these shakes. And it says on this side, what's inside you matters. You are only what you need. 100% plant-based nutrition, 23 vitamins and minerals, all essential amino acids, peas from North America. And then nothing you don't need. Dairy, wheat, gluten, soy, egg, peanut, nuts, fish, shellfish, chemicals, filters, artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. And I look over here, it says ingredients: filtered water, a protein blend of peas and flaxseed oil, oat powder, and pumpkin seed protein, tapioca dextrin, organic sugar cane, or cane sugar. My brain read that backwards. Sunflower oil, cocoa powder, natural flavors for chocolate, vitamins and mineral blend, sunflower lecithin, Himalayan pink sea salt, and monk fruit extract. It is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium. Oh, not vitamin C, sorry. Iron, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, thiam. I looked at it, now I can't say it properly. And a bunch of other stuff that you're supposed to get daily, and most people don't. So this is my go-to drink when I'm not feeling hungry or whenever I just need a little bit of something. And I never drink a whole one. I normally just drink a half of one. That way I'm still actually eating food. Because if I drink a whole one of these, I probably will miss a meal. It is a meal replacement. And it is tasty. Like, I never really liked... Okay. So, I don't know if you've tried them, but the Ensures, when you drink them, they kind of have this, like, not chalky, but like there's a flavor after that I'm like, there is a flavor, but it's a good flavor. Does that make sense? And for my kiddo, no, I just rambled. I have these. They're by Kinder Sprout, and they are also plant-based. And yes, there is, the added sugar in this, the OWYN, is only 8%. 4 grams of added sugar. And of course, it's for kids, so they're gonna make it tastier. And the kid one has 9 grams of added sugar. So this, it has a cute little panda on it. The bottle is green. It is lunchbox safe. Yeah, it is. Oh. You can drink it cold or straight like this, but once it's refrigerated, I don't recommend you letting it get to room temperature. Because I don't know. I know that it has like a different texture after it's gone from cold to hot to cold to hot. So just keep that in mind. It says, made with love by Kinder Farms, doctor formulated, delicious taste, lunchbox safe, earth-friendly plant protein. Plant-powered organic nutrition. Full balanced nutrition with 8 grams of protein. Bone boosting calcium and vitamin D, 12 organic fruits and vegetables, and 28 vitamins and minerals. So, you know how I said that sometimes I'm not hungry, like I'm just like, meh, or I'm hungry and I don't know what I want? My kid gets that way too. there will be times where she goes hours. Not just hours, but like she'll pick at her food in the morning and then not eat anything for the rest of the day. But she'll drink her milk. So I went looking for something that I could give her. This is a pretty penny, if you understand what I mean. But she can't do the Pediasure because it has a milk product in it and goes straight through her. But I never give her a whole bottle. These bottles are as big as my bottles. Okay. Okay, maybe they're a little smaller. But they're big. It says somewhere, where is it? Not intended for children under the age of 2. So what I do is I will probably give her a third of the bottle with some almond milk or some oat milk or chocolate almond milk or chocolate oat milk. Just so that she gets her normal cup of milk, like the 5 ounces, but it has half of this in the cup. So OWYN and Kinder Sprout for dairy-free, plant-based shakes. I've had some of hers just to taste it, and she seems to like it. And sometimes she wants this over her regular milk. She doesn't know that I mix them together. Shh. So, ways to get vitamins.